The sixth priority underlines our important role in building compassionate and collective cultures and leadership in NHS Wales. This is vital for staff engagement and well-being, which in turn is vital to the quality of care for our patients and service users. We will continue to expand our range of leadership development programmes, targeted at various groups of leaders, and developing important talent pipelines for future roles. In particular, this will include a board members induction programme, as well as bespoke support for operational managers who are at the very sharp end of helping our clinical teams deliver services. We're also working hard to make sure our future NHS leaders reflect the communities we serve, supporting greater diversity and fairness in our leadership that reflects the communities that we serve in Wales. In collaboration with UK colleagues, we will be introducing a new code of practice and competence framework for all NHS managers over the next few years, recognising their key role in our complex health environment.